Apparo Fast Edit. Company-wide data collection. With quality and security. Integrated in IBM Cognos Analytics. A typical use case is commenting reports and dashboards. You can comment on single measures, like here, in an extra window. Or embedded like here. Select measure, and then enter the comment. Optionally, a file can be attached here. Comments are stored in your own relational database, and can then be further processed by Cognos or other applications. Comments are supporting copying texts from other sources, commenting single measures, or the whole report. A toolbar to format the text on your own. Optionally, stores username and timestamp. Comment history, without overwriting older comments. Setting of statuses, and sending comments via email. You can also use checkboxes and drop-downs to set different statuses. It is also possible to forward the comment by email. Our example contains the comment and a direct link to the report. Status and email notifications can be used for comment workflows. After saving, the report is automatically refreshed and shows the last comment. Another use case is data management, like here in the list view. The data can be entered or changed directly. And you can call up further details, like here, the price history of the product. You always have full control over your data. With security-based features and filters, you decide who can see, add, or change data. There are several ways to ensure data quality. In case of incorrect entries, the user receives an easy-to-understand error message. With auditing, logging, and historicization, you always have the overview of who has changed what, when, and how. Here, for example, the history of data changes. You can easily export your data to Excel. Then, edit, and import again. The row import can easily process 100,000 rows and more. Supported are the import with copy and paste, the file import, or simply by sending an email with Excel files in the attachment. Some of the features are security checks, data quality checks, traceability, email notifications. Since everything is stored in your own relational database, you can clear up the Excel chaos in your company. Workflows are another use case. In this example, the data is entered or imported here on the left. You also can attach files here. When finished, the user sets the status to ready for approval. Now, the data is visible on the right side for the revision. A workflow is always useful when different departments are working together on one task. The revision can then accept or reject the data. Supported are multi-level workflows, cross-linguistic workflows, Automatic statuses. Automatic email notifications. Email features. Delivers any data. Backlinks to forms or reports. Traceability and security. Direct action links. Other use cases are connected views, or lists. In this example, we will first choose different product lines. This selection then serves as a filter in all connected views. Here we only see products of the selected product lines. On the right side, we have an example of a dynamic form. If the transmission is manual, the number of gears should also be entered. If this car has special optical features, a description field must be displayed. Another use case is calculating, distributing or loading default plan data from the database. The values are entered as soon as we leave the widget, in this case by pressing the Tab key. Past months are skipped. The distribution of monthly target figures may also be based on a percentage of last year's sales figures, or some other calculation. In this example, the annual values are updated when we add or subtract values in a month. This also works if we click with the mouse in another field. For a free 60 days trial, and more information, visit us on apparo.solutions.